Next one is the stock turnover ratio. So the stock turnover ratio formula, first of all, you have to write. So stock turnover ratio is equal to cost of goods sold, cost of goods sold divided by average stock. So for this and all into 100 you will not do because it is a turnover ratio. You will express in times answer. Okay, turnover ratios you will express answers in times. So cost of goods sold already we have that information. Here also we used. Okay, so cost of goods sold already we have. We need not calculate again and again. If suppose one time if we have calculated earlier, no, for that particular question, you just leave that one. You no need to calculate again. So 3 lakh you have already done here. So just cost of goods sold 3 lakh and put up podum. Again that same formula you need not write and substitute and find out. That same thing you can use it over here also. Cost of goods sold rupees 3 lakh. But you tried to mention that because from where that amount you got they don't know. So better mention the amount but no need to calculate because already we calculated. So average stock if you see formula is opening
Opening
stock
stock
is
plus
opening
closing
stock
stock
plus closing stock. Okay.
divided by 2.
Opening stock
Divided by 2.
divided by 2. So divided by 2. So now opening stock, closing stock information, everything will be available in the question itself. Sometimes stock date they will mention, stock date they will mention. From that you have to find out opening stock is how much, closing stock is how much. Okay. So if you see here they have given 76,250 as opening stock and closing stock as 98,500. Both you have to add and you have to divide by 2. Suppose in that question opening stock information is not there, then closing stock alone you will take, divided by 2 you should not do there. Okay, divide by 2 பண்ணக்கூடாது. Opening stock closing stock ரெண்டுமே இருந்தாதான் divide by 2 பண்ணும் add பண்ணிட்டு. Closing stock மட்டும் இருந்ததுன்னா அதை மட்டும் தான் எடுத்துக்கணும். So here both given, so you can add. So if you want, if you can mention opening stock இவ்வளோ amount, closing stock இவ்வளோ amount, all those things also you can mention. Okay, you can mention all those things but I am not mentioning here. If you want you can mention. Okay, so the amount is 76,250 I think so opening stock and closing stock amount is 98
98
500.
500.
Okay, 98 500. So both you
Divided.
have to add and divide by 2.
Ma'am, 1,25,500, ma'am.
So both adding together 1,25,500
500.
divided by 2. Okay.
Ma'am, divide பண்ணி தான் மேம் சொல்றேன்.
Divide பண்ணியே 2 1,25,000. Okay,
500.
okay, 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 pa. So this is the final amount. So you have to enter all the amount in rupees only. So average stock you have to mention. Better to mention all those things. So here you have to mention in rupees. 1,25,000 rupees, all those things you just put. So now we have obtained the information. Cost of goods goods sold divided by average stock. Cost of goods is 3 lakhs. Goods sold is 3 lakhs. And average stock is 1,25,500. Now just substitute and find out stock turnover ratio. Question number and all you have to mention here all those things I have just skipped. You have to mention in your exam, then only you can get marks. Stock turnover ratio is equal to
Ma'am?
substitute. 3 lakh
Ma'am,
divided by. Hmm.
ma'am, I get answer for average stock is 87,375, ma'am.
87,375. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
76,250 plus 98,500 is 1,74,750 divided by 2. 87,375 வருது ஆமா. Just change over here. 87,375. Okay, now just find out. So 3 lakh divided by 3 lakh divided by 87 அந்த amount போடுங்க. 87,375 and find out how much you are getting. 3 lakh
Ma'am,
divided by 87,375.
3.43 ma'am.
எவ்வளோம்பா?
3.43 ma'am.
3.43. This has to be mentioned in times. All your turnover ratios should be mentioned in times. Okay. So this is your stock turnover ratio. And next is your operating profit ratio. Only this we have left. Okay, for which we have a separate formula. Till this, I hope everyone has done. Till stock turnover ratio, everyone has done. Yes. Have you completed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let us move to the operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio. So we have formula for that. Operating profit divided by net sales into 100. Okay. So net sales, as you know already, 5 lakh rupees. That is has been given in the question. Now operating profit alone we have to calculate, for which again you have two formulas. Okay. So for which you have two formulas. Either of any of the one of the formula you can use for calculating this operating profit. That's what only the numerator will create a problem for you in calculating this profitability ratios. Gross profit, net profit, operating profit, operating ratio, 4 ratio. So இந்த எல்லாத்துக்குமே இந்த numerator மட்டும் தான் மாறும், denominator மாற போறது இல்ல. So இந்த operating profit கண்டுபிடிக்க you have to use again this formula. So formulas you have to remember for calculating. Yes, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, so here for the operating profit you have to calculate with this formula. So to calculate this one is gross profit minus operating expenses. This is one of the formula. Other formula is net profit add non-operating expenses minus non-operating operating income. This is the other formula. Okay. So any of the formula you can use for calculation purpose. One is gross profit minus operating expenses, which will be very easy for you to calculate. Gross profit 2 lakhs question la irukum. Operating expenses na இது ரெண்டு மட்டும் தான் operating expenses. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் அந்த operating expenses gross profit ல இருந்து நீங்க subtract பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா operating profit நீங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். So 2 lakh ல இருந்து 1 lakh 13,000 subtract பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், operating profit you can find out easily. So this is the thing, operating profit. இன்னொன்னுனா net profit ஓட இது நான் ஆப்ரேட்டிங் எதெல்லாம் இருக்கோ அதெல்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணும், நான் ஆப்ரேட்டிங் இன்கம் ஏதாவது இருந்தா அதை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணும். ரெண்டுமே ஒரே ஆன்சர் தான் நம்மளுக்கு தரும். Any of the formula you can adapt. Which one is easy for you to memorize, that one you can use and find out this answer. Hope I think you can do this operating profit ratio.